Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a super easy knitting stitch pattern. Friends, it is a bamboo stitch knitting pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is only 2 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 2. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. And please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends and in your groups. Friends, one thing is more, there is many questions regarding the written pattern of the tutorial. When you see it's written when you see the video tutorial of this pattern, the written pattern is displayed on the top of video, so you can write it down from there. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 10 stitches on my needle, 10 multiple of 2. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn over and knit 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Then pass over this yarn over into 2 knit stitches like this. Pass over into these 2 stitches. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is yarn over, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Then pass over this yarn over into 2 stitches like this. One more repeat, yarn over, knit 2, 1 and 2. Then pass over this yarn over into 2 stitches like this. One more repeat, yarn over, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Then pass over this yarn over into 2 stitches like this. In this way we will complete our first row. At the last I have edge stitch, so knit the last edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that purl all the stitches in the second row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. So friends, after the 2 rows our pattern is ready like this. When we repeat these 2 rows, we will get a pattern like this. We will repeat these 2 rows until the desired length of our pattern. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.